Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and I actually want to share a product that I really like, especially for setting moods and ambiances at night. It's called the BlissLights Skylight. Now, this thing is actually really cool because it projects. As you can see, it's got a little projector here. It projects a blue light that represents like a nebula or a galaxy that's slow moving, and it's actually very cool. On the side of it, you got options to be able to pause it or to make it darker or lighter, which is very cool. Now, you got to check it out at night. As you can see right now, it looks amazing on the ceilings. And whenever I have company over, it just sets a really nice mood for people to just be able to enjoy and maybe have a cocktail, maybe just listen to music, and at the same time kind of stargaze a little bit. So this little product has come in handy. It's been a lot of fun to use, and I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.